Hi everybody. So today I'm getting vaccinated. That is my first dose of COVID vaccine. I'm just trying to document the whole process. I'm trying to document what I feel post my vaccine as well as how I do after the vaccination is over and everything. So yeah, I will take my updates for next 3 days and then we post this particular vlog. But yeah, let's see. Fingers crossed everything works well, and hopefully, I'm not scared of it because my doctors are permitting me to do so. But yeah, I'm a bit anxious and a bit nervous. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I have been bloated and a bit water retention is already there. So I'm a bit more skeptical. But yeah, let's see. Hopefully things will work out well and things will go good. So just pray things go good. Fingers crossed. And yeah, you will see this video for post the 3 days journey. But I just wanted to share how it goes with everybody, and that's the reason I'm just sharing before the vaccination. Ciao till I take the vaccine. See you at the hospital. Bye bye. Hey people, so I'm at the COVID vaccine center and I'm just waiting for my turn to come for the vaccination. I just hope I get vaccinated on time, and yeah, anxiety level high. Bye. Yeah. Hi everyone, welcome back to my Lupus Diary. This is Disha for you, and we are going to talk about my vaccination journey that I had gone through all these days since Saturday. So, as you could see in the last, in the pre-cap video that I had capped, I was very scared and anxious. Though I had spoken to my doctors prior to booking my vaccine, I was still a bit scared and a bit anxious as to should I take it, or being suffering for so many years now with lupus, I was not ready to take any risk. What if is a very big question in my life, and it is always surrounded, and that is the only reason I was not ready for risking anything. But then I also wanted to take the vaccine, so I went forward, believed in my doctors once again, and took the vaccine. So on the day of the vaccine, as you could see, I was very anxious, a bit scared, a bit restless, quite impatient. I was all the time waiting for the vaccine. Even when I went to the doctor to take the vaccine, I was continuously telling the doctors, I take this medicine, I take that medicine. So just be careful in giving me the vaccine. Just make sure it doesn't interact with any of my meds and everything. So I was very restless at that time. But then I just came home, took the vaccine and came home, and I was all good. And I did not suffer any pain or anything. I had no problems. Cut short, next day, that is Sunday. Sunday I had woken up with immense joint pain, chronic muscle pain and stiffness, headache and fever. So yeah, Sunday was a bad day for me. I woke up with bad pains and everything was a bit messy. But then I relaxed, I calmed down, I I did not opt to take any paracetamol whatsoever. I did not take any medicines because I don't take pain meds anyways. So I did not take medicine that day, and you know what, whatever the pain level was, it was not as much as you suffer or deal with lupus any day. So it is always less compared to what you go through with lupus anyways. So it is always better, right? So vaccination was something I really wanted to do, and I got the chance. So my first shot is done with, my second shot is pending. It is going to take place after 4 weeks from now. So I will also tell you guys how my second shot goes. But see, no vaccine actually claims that it is going to work 100%, right? Like this particular vaccine, when I took the shot, I was okay on the same day. Sunday I had fever. Monday I was all okay. Tuesday, that is yesterday, I again had a bit of pain around, but I was not that restless or anxious anymore, and I'm all fine now. By today, that is Wednesday, I'm all good and all fine. Now the point over here is that, is taking vaccine a better option or not taking it? Obviously taking the vaccine is a better option. So go ahead, just take the vaccine. Even if your doctors, just ask your doctors. If your doctors permit you to take the vaccine, take it. If you are watching this video and you are not a patient, you are a normal person, please guys, take the vaccine. If not for yourself, take it for immunosuppressed people like us, so that we are saved, because the vaccine does not claim to give 100% protection. It can also save us only from 80% to 70% to 80% of the virus infections. So we are still not 100% immune, and we are anyways not immune. So it is just a humble appeal that guys, please take the vaccine, and yes, stay safe, keep sanitizing yourself, keep social distance, and maintain your hygiene levels at all times. Also guys, always wear a mask. If not for yourself, for the other person who is talking to you, just wear a mask. And yes, to the other people who don't wear a mask, guys, avoid them. I do that. I don't talk to people. If somebody comes to me is not wearing a mask, I'll avoid that person. Not because there is any crime in not wearing a mask. It is only because I don't feel safe or comfortable. So I end this video on this note, but I just want you guys to know that my vaccine process went on very nicely. It was very comforting. The doctors are really good. Everything went great. I am very thankful to government of India for the way they are helping the people out, and every layman has the right, and every citizen is getting the chance to take the vaccine. So thankful. Thank you guys. I'll see you later in the next video. Until then, bye bye.